In this lesson, I'm going to show you how to calculate a two-rail kick shot. The method is super simple. If you still can't learn it, I'll play upside down. Let's get started. A pool table is made up of 32 squares, so we'll use the diamond markers on the rails as our reference points. Next, assign a number to each diamond. That'll make everything much easier to understand. For example, on the right long rail, label the 9 diamond points like this: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. On the left long rail, label them like this: 1, 1.5, 2, 2.5, 3, 3.5, 4, 4.5, 5. And on the short rail, label the diamonds: 6, 7, 8. Now, if the cue ball is at the 7 point and the object ball is at the 2 point, the formula for the two-rail kick shot is 7 minus 2. What's the answer? It's 5. So, aim at the 5 point. The cue ball will naturally rebound off the first rail, then the second rail. Since the angle of incidence equals the angle of reflection, the cue ball will reach the object ball at the 2 point. Now let's see the result. First rail, second rail, and it hits the object ball. If the object ball is still at the 2 point, but now the cue ball is at the 5 point, the calculation is 5 minus 2 equals 3. Aim at the 3 point, and the cue ball will make the same two-rail kick and pocket the shot. Now let's look at a real game situation. The object ball is at the 3 point, but another ball is blocking the direct path. The cue ball is at the 5 point. The calculation is 5 minus 3 equals 2. So aim at the 2 point. The cue ball will still make the same two-rail kick to reach the object ball. Now, if the cue ball is at the 6 point and the object ball is still at the 3 point, the calculation becomes 6 minus 3 equals 3. Aim at the 3 point. The cue ball will still make the same two-rail kick to the object ball. What if the object ball is on the opposite side of the table? No problem. Just reverse the diamond numbers on that side, then use the exact same calculation. 6 minus 3 equals 3. Aim at the 3 point, and the cue ball will still make the same two-rail kick. There's one more situation. What if the cue ball isn't sitting on one of the numbered diamond points? First, identify which point the object ball is on. Then find one of the preset shot lines. For example, which numbers give you 3? 6 minus 3 equals 3. 5 minus 2 equals 3. 4 minus 1 equals 3. Now simply see which preset line the cue ball is closest to. Choose that shot line, aim at the corresponding diamond, and you'll be able to kick around the blocker and hit the object ball.